Today we are discussing about selection statements in Raptor. I am Dr. P.V. Sena from CBIT. Selection statement, the general representation of selection is by using rhombus or diamond symbol. Suppose if we want to decide yes or no, then we need to go for the selection statements. So including these rhombus symbols, we are using the input symbol parallelogram with in arrow to read the input. So to send the result parallelogram with out arrow, then processing, we are using this rectangle symbol. Check whether the given number is even or odd. Suppose assume that the question is, so we need to check whether the given number is even or odd, sorry or basic, right? So in order to check whether the given number is even or odd, so first of all we need to read the number n. So this is my input. So now output is we need to get either even or odd, right? So in the logic part, what we need to do here it is, once we read this number n, then we need to divide modulo division n modulo by 2. So we are checking for the remainder. Modulo division gives the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then we are telling it is the even number. If the remainder is not 0, then we are telling it is the odd number. This is the simple logic. So now based on this remainder, we are deciding whether it is even or odd. So based on this one, you need to decide so whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Right. So for the purpose here, n values, I am taking this 11. So 11 modulo by 2. Here the remainder is 1. Then the control goes to in this way. Here it is printing 11 is odd. So next is biggest of given two numbers. Here the input is a comma b. We are taking this given two numbers. Then the output is either a or b. If one of these two number is b. So for that purpose, the logic part is we are checking a greater than b. By using this relational operators, we are checking a is greater than or b, right? So first we need to read some numbers a comma b. These two numbers I am reading. So next by using this diamond symbol, so rhombus, I am checking a greater than b. I am writing the condition here. If the condition is true, then I am printing a is biggest. If the condition is false, then I am printing b is the biggest. Then we are combining these two here by using circle, and we are ending here. So I am checking this by using a value is 11, b value is 22. So 11 greater than 22, it is false, then b is biggest. This will be printed. So based on this one, you need to try these problems. Given number is positive or negative, whether the given number is positive number or negative number, whether it is dhana sankhya or runa sankhya. So given year is a leap year or not. To check whether the given year is a leap year or not. Input is a year, then you need to check whether it is leap year or not. So the advice, my hint is here, divisible by check. You check whether the leap year is given year is divisible by 4 or not. Example 2024 is divisible by 4. So it is a leap year. So it is not divisible by 100. It is divisible by 4 and it is not divisible by 100. Suppose if you take 1900, it's divisible by 100. So it is not a leap year. So third condition, you need to check divisible by 400. If the year is divisible by 400, it is a leap year, even it is divisible by 100. So these three conditions you need to check in the case of leap year, right? So next, you can try for this, display welcome message 101 times. So what is my intention? You need to display the welcome, simple prompt, welcome prompt. So 101 times. You need to think for the logic for it, right? So in next video, we will discuss loops and repetition statements.